Hello and welcome to another YNAB tutorial. Today I am going to show you first how to find out how much money you have available to put towards a credit card payment, and second, how to actually record that payment here in YNAB. Before we get started, if we haven't met, hi there. My name is Lindsey Ciarrocca. I am a YNAB Certified Coach and a Certified Money Coach, and my goal is to help you create a more positive relationship with your money and learn to love budgeting, especially using YNAB. So let's dive in. All right, we are in our budget here, and we have our 3 credit card categories right here at the top. So the first thing to note is this is the easiest way to see how much money do I have available for a credit card payment. So if we take a look at this first one, we can see we have $695.18. And you can see also that it's this yellowy orange color. Now, the first thing to know is that the reason it is that yellow color is because it is telling you you do not have enough money to fully pay off the balance of the card. We look over here, we can see the balance of the card is $37.50, and like I said, the amount available for the payment is $695.18. So we do not have the full amount to pay off the card, but we do have $695. If we look at the second card here, we can see we have $563.69, and that it is green. So I always like to say that green and gray categories are happy categories. So in this case, a green category is a happy category because if you look over here, you'll see that that amount equals the amount of the balance on the card. So in this case, we have enough to fully pay off the balance of the card. Then in our third card here, we have a gray category. So in this case, gray is happy because there's no money available, but also the balance is 0. So we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at how to actually record the payment in YNAB. The easiest way is to click this record payment button. When you click record payment, if you have not made a payment to this card before, you will have to choose where is the payment coming from. Odds are it's coming from your checking account in most cases. So we're sending cash from the checking to the credit card. So we'll say payment from checking. It will fill in the card for you. And then because we did it this way, because we used this record payment button, it took the entire amount we had available for the payment and dropped it into the payment section. So if we go ahead and just hit save, it now takes our payment amount down to 0 and applies that $695 towards that balance. Okay, so I'll show you that one more time in this card. Again, we come in, we click record payment. It's coming from the checking account to the Venture 1. It took the $563.69 that we have available for payment, dropped it right into there. We hit save, and now we can see that pays off the balance of the card. So there you have it. That is how to find out, 1, how much money you have to pay a credit card. So that's right here in your budget section. And then 2, how to actually record it. Easiest way is just to come into your credit card and hit that record payment button. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, you might want to check out my YNAB Made Easy course. I will link to that in the description below. And also, you can come join me inside my membership, the Empowered Money Circle, where I offer ongoing support for YNAB. We have twice a month co-working sessions so that you can stay on top of your budget, make sure you're keeping up with your transactions, as well as work on your relationship with money. So I will also link to that below, and it will be in the pinned comment. I would love to have you inside. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you next time.